Class 7 Mathematics, IIT Mathematics, algebraic expressions. We're continuing the objective here. The sum of the polynomials. Sum. What is meant by sum, children?
Plus
What is
adding.
addition? We have to do.
Addition.
Yeah. Right. So here, first to take the like terms. Here x cube is single, right? X cube first. And x square term here and here plus 1 and here minus 3. You will get minus 2. Near minus 2x and plus 2x gets cancelled, and plus 1 and minus 1 also cancel. We get x power 3 minus 2x cube. Option C is correct. Yes or no? Do you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Second one. What is the meaning of difference?
Subtraction, sir.
Subtraction.
Yes, sir.
8x square, 5x square. How much 8 minus 5?
3x square.
3.
3x.
Minus 7, minus of minus 2. How much?
What, sir?
Sir, minus 9, sir.
Minus 9.
Minus 7, minus of minus 2, Chaitanya.
Sir, minus 5.
Everyone is able to see the board.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Yeah,
Sir.
maybe signals, low signals we have here today. Minus 5, children. So option A is correct. Okay now? Okay now? Right.
Okay, sir.
Now I want answers for 20, 21, 22. Just change the symbols for second bracket, children. You will get minus 2x cube, minus 3x square, plus 4x, minus 5 here. Here from in the sense, this you have to write first. Then you change the signs of this one. Minus 5a cube, minus 4a square, minus 7a, minus 9, children. Complete 20 and 21 and 22. Second bracket signs you change now. Everyone should do the work on the paper. Don't say anyone direct answers. Some of you are saying the direct answers within 1 or 2 minutes. I want paperwork. I will ask you to show the paperwork also. Please do it, children. I'm giving you 5 minutes time to you, right? But children, anyone got the answer?
Sir, I got
I'm doing 22, sir.
Yeah. Do it. All the 3 sums. I want paperwork, children. Don't guess the answers, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, children, you can take the screenshot, and 23 also, please do not. I'm going to 24. Children, please take the screenshot.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir. We can't understand what you are talking.
My voice is breaking. 1 minute. Chaitanya, can you hear me? Chaitanya,
Yes, sir, I can hear you, sir.
is my voice breaking or okay?
Okay only, sir.
Then who is saying breaking? Bhaskar or Srinivas?
Bhaskar, sir.
Bhaskar, might be your network is slow, no problem. So let's go for 24th question, children. 24th also same, subtraction. You do it by your own. So I'm just explaining now. Whenever I'm opening the screen, just take out the screenshots and then keep doing. On 24th, how to do, I'm explaining. Please see. Subtract 3a minus 7b from the sum of. You should add these two total children. Okay, now? So if you add this, I'm doing here 3a, 4a and 3a, we will get 7a. Minus 2b minus 4b, we will get 6b. Right? Now we do the subtraction. So this one we write as first 7a minus 6b minus of 3a minus 7b. Now change the signs for the second expression. You will get like this. 7a and 3a. You will get 4a, 6b and 7b. You will get 1b. 4a plus 1b. Option C is correct. Please check your answer, children. Chaitanya, have you checked, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, 25th, please do response Srinivas and Chaitanya, then I can go for the next sum.
Okay,
What
sir.
must be added to get? So here is my question is, what must be added to 6? We will get 10 children. What must be added to 6? We will get 10.
4, sir.
4. How did you get? You did 10 minus 6 only, no?
Yes, sir.
So here second expression minus first expression. I will write like this. You take the screenshot and you can write like that. Yeah, next. What must be added to? The same, this is also like that. Second expression minus first expression. And what must be subtracted? This is different again. What must be subtracted from 10? We will get 6 in the sense first expression minus second expression. And 27th one, you have to do first minus second, children. Okay, no? Just take the screenshots and this work on when you get the time. Right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Oh, next page we will move on. Here. Take away. Take away means what? Subtraction. So 4xy plus 3y minus plus y square. Second expression, you change the symbols and write, children. 9xy, I will write minus 9xy. Minus 7y, I will write as plus 7y. Minus 4y square, I will write as plus 4y square. Now I keep adding this to subtraction, then nothing but addition of additive inverse. 4xy minus 9xy, you will get minus 5xy plus 3y plus 7y, you will get plus 10y plus y square plus 4y square, you will get plus 5y square. Where is the answer? Where is the answer? Which option is correct?
Option D, sir.
Yeah, right. And the next one. How much is more than, how much is 4 more than 2? What you will do? How much is 4 more than 2? What you will do, children? Srinivas.
Sir,
How much is 4 more than 2? What you will do?
4 greater than 2.
How much means what you will do, Nana? You do this or not?
Yes, sir.
Means you have to subtract first minus second. Okay?
Okay,
First
sir.
minus second. And how much is less than? Second minus first. And less than means second minus first. More than means first minus second. Here again they asked sum of. Please tell me the answer for 30 seconds. Both of you, I'll be waiting here. 30-second answer. Do the addition and tell me, children. Chaitanya answering this.
Sir, finished, sir.
You tell me the answer, please.
Option C, sir.
Say, what is your answer? 4a square plus a square is 5a square. Minus 5ab plus 3ab minus 5
2ab.
plus 3 minus 2 will get, no?
Yes, sir. Minus 2ab.
You said option D or C?
C.
Oh, correct. Next sum. Please have the match the following, children. Addition only, all are addition only. Just add the left side ones and check the right side ones answers. Just add all of them. You'll get right side answers here. Completed, children? Chaitanya, Srinivas, please do respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is the first one answer? XY, XY, XY. One XY gets cancelled, you will get one XY. And ZX, ZX cancel, YZ. You will get option yes for first one, children. And second, 2x square y square minus 3x square y square. You will get minus 1. So this is the second option, R. And third, x square, 2x square, y
Sir,
square, y
it's
square.
option A, sir.
Yeah, third one is P. And obviously the last one is Q. Right? S, R, P, Q. Okay, next. Yeah, see the 34th question, children. 2a, you have to multiply the first expression with 2 and second expression with 3. Then you should add. Please check, mom.
Sir, we have to multiply, sir.
Yeah. First expression with 2, second expression with 3. Then you should add them. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm writing the answers here. Please check, children. Here you will get 6x square. Here 2 2s are 4x minus 14. 21x power 3. 9x plus 12. So 21x power 3 will come first. Right. 21x power 3. If you add both, x square, 6x square, plus 4x minus 9x is minus 5x, minus 14 plus 12 is minus 2. So option A is correct, children. Please check your answer. Okay, no? Right, children? I asked you how to respond, then I go for the next question.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, next page. See this, children? Here A is given some value and B is given some value, some expression. A should multiply with 3, B should multiply with 4, then you have to subtract. I'm doing the multiplication. Please do along with me. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Again, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. And B I'm multiplying. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 15s are 60. 4 9s are 36. Now you have to subtract. When we subtract, we have to change the signs of the second expression. I'm doing the subtraction here. So 9 minus 20 is minus 11. Minus 11 will come first. Minus 12 minus 24 minus 36. Plus 21 minus, this becomes plus 81. Minus 15 minus 36 minus 51. So option B is right, children. Okay, now? Okay, now.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. 36 is not required. 37, 38. Please do 37, 38, children. 37, A plus B plus C. Add all these three expressions. Means 2x minus 8x, 6x. You are adding the like terms. Like terms means same variable, x, x, x. Next, you have to add 3y minus 9y plus 6y. Next, you have to add minus 5z minus like that. Okay. 38 also like that. I want from you the answers of 37 and 38. Please do it.
Sir, what is next class, sir?
Who is asking?
Sir,
Who is asking for the next class?
Vivek, sir.
Yeah, Vivek. Next class will be at 6:40. Wednesday. You have chemistry, ma.
What
Okay.
class will be conducted, sir?
Chemistry.
Okay, sir.
Right. Anyone
Okay,
done
sir.
37, 38, children? 37 and 38. Vivek, Lohit, Chaitanya.
Sir,
Yeah.
we only got the maths, physics, chemistry, and biology textbooks, sir.
Very good. Very good. Yeah. Can you please show at the end? We'll discuss about it. Okay. Let us complete these two sums. We'll discuss. Okay, Chaitanya.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I'm adding these two. Please check now. 2x minus 8x plus 6x. 2 minus 8 minus 6 minus 6 plus 6, 0. So x is 0. Next, y term. Plus 3 minus 9 minus 6 minus 6 plus 6, 0. Z term. Minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 minus 8 plus 8, 0. Total 0, children. Anybody got 0?
Bhaskar.
Okay, very good. Next, a plus b plus is second one. 3a plus 13a, 16a. 16 minus 2, 14a, children. 14A only option B is there. No need to add B. If you add also, you'll get 11 only. Minus 2, minus 14, minus 16, plus 5, minus 11. Right, children?
Okay,
now.
sir.
Yeah. I
Okay,
am,
sir.
please take the screenshot. Today we'll end up this chapter. You just do at least 41 and 42. 40 also you can do, children. Perimeter of the triangle, you have to add all the sides, no? Perimeter of triangle means what?
Sir, what is next chapter, sir?
Next chapter will be like 1 second. I'll check it. Exponents
Sir,
and powers.
exponents and powers, sir.
Yeah. Right. Very good. Chaitanya, you got the textbooks anyways. You have to practice the rest of the sums what I'm leaving. Okay, now?
Okay, sir.
Maximum, I'll try to explain 30 to 40 objective along with the concepts. Okay. Then rest of the sums you can try at least 50 objective you have to try. How many I am
Okay, sir.
explaining here? That many. Suppose here 40 do. More 40 you have to do. Like that. Okay.
Sir, I also want to buy, sir. Where it will be?
Yeah. Now 1 second. 1 second.